Good morning, children. Welcome back. Hope you all are fine and safe. In the previous class, we have seen what is article. An article is a word that comes before a noun. We have also seen the two types of articles. They are definite articles and indefinite articles. The words a, and the are articles. We use a and an to talk about a thing in general. They are called indefinite articles. The article a is used before a singular countable noun which begins with a consonant sound, whereas article an is used before a singular countable noun which begins with a vowel sound. And in today's class, we are going to learn about the definite article. We use definite article the to talk about a specific thing. Let's see the rules of definite article the. We use the when we talk about a particular noun. For example, the dog that bit me ran away. Here we are talking about a specific dog, that is the dog that bit me. Second one, the sun and the moon are heavenly bodies. Here the noun sun and moon refers to objects that are unique. We use the before the names of rivers, oceans, seas and mountains. For example, the Ganga, the Pacific Ocean, the Caspian Sea, the Himalayas. Next we use the before the names of books, newspapers and magazines. For example, the Panchatantra, the Times of India, the Outlook. We use the before the names of monuments and buildings. For example, the Red Fort, the Parliament House, the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. We use the before the names of countries with plural names. For example, the Philippines, the Maldives, the Netherlands. We also use the before the names of countries that contain the words Republic, Democratic, Kingdom or States. For example, the United States of America, the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. Next, we use the before the nouns that are of certain cultures. For example, the Chinese dumplings, the Russian opera, the Indian Prime Minister. We use the before superlatives and ordinal numbers. For example, this is the tallest building in Delhi. I met him the third time at a mall. And remember, children, we do not use the before the names of languages, before people's names, before the names of countries, except for the special cases which is already mentioned. Look at this sentence. The French love their cheese. Here we use the French to refer to a whole group of people, not a language. Proper nouns generally do not take any article. We use the before the nouns that we have already mentioned. For example, we have a beautiful garden. The garden is full of roses. And plural nouns can be used with definite article or no article at all. So children, hope you have understood the difference between definite article and indefinite articles. Please read the usages of definite articles and indefinite articles and do your exercises carefully. Thank you.